Act like you just didn't click the phone. You act like you on the whole goddamn time. Like you didn't just click request. You sitting there, oh yeah, I've been brushing for an hour. You ain't been brushing. You on that
Hey, now I have been brushing.
okay.
Hey, I had to click real quick and just, you know what, let me see if he gonna let me in. Oh snap, that was too funny. Why you bust me out like that though?
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright YouTube, first things first, you want to section off the hair. I'm separating the top from the bottom with my comb, and I'm just going to add some clips at the top so I can keep it in place. My 3-guard open using my wall cordless seniors, I'm just going to take off the bulk at the bottom by scooping out, making sure that I keep some long hair near the ridge of my client's hair, because you don't want to sit here and cut everything off because it's not a total undercut. He wants it to kind of blend in with the longer hair, so I'm just making sure that I, scoop out as I take off the bulk. So after you take off the bulk, you want to make sure you brush the hair down so everything is laid, because with long hair, it tends to just stick up. So right now I'm just brushing everything down so everything could be neat. And I'm just going to go back with my 3-guard to make sure everything is the same length. So right now I'm going to do some clipper over comb using my wall magic clips, and I'm going to set my comb at a 45-degree angle and just take off the rest of the bulk. Using my Andis Slimline Pro LIs, I'm going to set in my bald line. Now I'm going to do it in a kind of rainbow-like shape, but I'm not going to do it to the extreme. I'm just going to, make sure I get that curved look. So I'm going to be setting in my guidelines with my wall cordless seniors with the lever open. I'm going up about 1 inch and I'm using my corners as much as possible. With the 1-guard open, same technique. With my corners, I'm going up about 1 inch, making sure that I keep that same, that oval-like shape. wall cordless seniors, they come with a 1.5 guard. So I'm gonna take my 1.5 guard open and just go up and clean up the rest of the bulkhead that's on the top. Now with the 2 guard open, just doing some cleanup work at the top, making sure everything blends in nice. Now when it comes to actually blending, I'm going to use my Oster's fast feeds because I feel that there are better blender clippers, if that makes sense. I'm using my 1 guard close, and in a flick out motion, I'm going to clean up that area between the 1.5 and the 2. And then I'm gonna close the lever and in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind, this is not gonna take it out, it's just gonna soften things up. Now with the 0 guard close, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. With the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now keep in mind that my Oster fast feeds are 0 gap. That means the blade, the cutting blade meets the top of the blade and it's real close. This way it's easier to take out any bald line. Now because my client has straight hair, I'm gonna use shear over comb, use my thinning shears to clean up and do some, detail work. I'm trying to get the areas that look, bulky in different areas, so I'm trying to thin those areas out. Now as far as the back goes, it's the same process. I use the same guidelines. It's just, a bigger area. So just make sure you just go up about 1 inch on each guideline you set and follow the same steps that I used on the side. client didn't want too much cut off the top. Basically what he wanted was it to look rounded and me to just trim it a little bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to purchase any clipper that you've seen, make sure you go in the description below. I list everything down there. But like I said, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. Make sure you go follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360 Jeezy. But it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here.